राम राम सभी भाइयों को। आज को सिखाने वाले हैं कैपकट में सिनेमैटिक स्टाइलिश टेक्स्ट कैसे बनाएं। पहले प्रीव्यू देख लो।
Little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Sticking that up on the book, little lady. I told you, can't sit don't hold you through the night. I know I'm trying to get right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise, mama's gonna be alright. Little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Sticking that up on the book, little lady. I told you, can't sit don't hold you through the night. I know I'm trying to get right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise, mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me, today's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you to see you smile. And if the mockingbird don't sing and that ring don't shine, I'ma break that birdie's neck. I go back to the true love who sold it to you, and make him eat every carrot. Don't with that.